Health Break is brought to you by St. Patrick Hospital and Health Sciences Center, the art and science of healing.
As we age, our bones can become brittle. For many of us, this is a thinning of the bones called osteoporosis. It's a natural process and affects both men and women. But Dr. Brandon Cycle of St. Patrick Hospital and Health Sciences Center says senior patients face the most risk.
Fall risk is a big problem in the geriatric community. The big things are, number one is to make sure that you see your eye physician on a routine basis. It's one of the major risks for falls. Also making sure that your home or apartment is free of clutter. It's also a major fall risk. Poor lighting within the home is also a major risk for falls.
The good news is that there are things people of all ages can do now to stave off the effects of osteoporosis.
Proper exercise is very important early in life as well as later in life. Proper calcium intake as well as vitamin D intake, and those are things that you could discuss with your primary care provider. You should start talking about calcium intake with your primary care provider very early in life. I'm talking probably mid-20s.
To find out more, call 327-1700 or visit our website at stpatrick.org. For Health Break, I'm Beverly Herbert.
Health Break was brought to you by St. Patrick Hospital and Health Sciences Center.